What's up, team? Fullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Wake Up My Canal. So today I want to come and give you guys an update on my knee. For you guys have seen my last video, I talked about this cream that I have been using on my knee. Since I purchased this cream, it's a couple of months ago. I'm still on the same container. I've read online about this cream that this cream is such a very harsh cream. It gets the work done very quickly, so you do not want to like use it a lot. You want to go little by little. So that is exactly what I have been doing when it comes to my knee. As you guys can see, I only have like this little spot like here. You know how your knee, sometimes you're always, when you're little, you're always crawling on your knees or you're doing things with your knees, and then you have this mark here. So these are the only spot right now remained, and I still have a lot in this cream. As you guys can see, I still have a lot. So what I do this I don't do it every single day, honestly speaking, because there are some days that I don't remember doing it, and there are some days that I will do it. Most of the time I do it in the evening after taking shower at night before bed. I'll just take a little bit like this, and I'll just put like one hair. I just go and dab it. I don't apply it on the places where it's not needed. If it's not needed, I do not apply it for like all over my knee here, because my knee is pretty good. I just want it to like have the same shade and the same color of my skin, so I do not need to apply it all over. I just focus on the spot area, and I just do that little bit of hair, and I just apply it like this, you know, just like around this area. I feel like that this area can be a little bit lightened, and I just do that. And as for this area, I just focus on this, like this little center, because this is a place where I feel like I need to at least get rid of this dark dot smack in the center. So this is how I apply it. I apply this mostly in the evening. Sometimes I do also apply it in the morning, in the weekends when I'm home, and I just apply it, because when I'm wearing something like this, it's like a skirt, and I can apply it, and then I know that when it doesn't need to rub on my clothes, and it's just like this. So far so good. This is what my leg is looking like. This is what my knees is looking like. I really like it. Honestly, I really love the result that I'm getting. I feel like my knee is getting better. Everything is getting the same shade. I will definitely come back. I'm going to use it till this dark circle, this mini dark circles goes away, and likewise this one. So I'm going to be using this for as long as I can use it till everything clears up. I was also looking videos, you can use it on your hand here to get it lighter, but I've never really tried that one yet, because I don't rub any cream. What I use on my skin is shea butter and coconut oil. That is the cream I use. So I don't use any bleaching cream. I don't find it really necessary to rub on my body. And also when it comes to my elbow, I do use I also do use it on my elbow, but I don't use it as often like as I use it on my knee, because you know your knee, you're always like putting something. I don't always put short skirts, but sometimes I do put like skirts that come here or dresses that come here, and then your knee is exposed and you have this dark spot, and I just don't like it. So that's the reason why I researched this product, and also was recommended to me by a friend, and I have been using it since. I still have the same container I picked up. This is quite an expensive, not like really expensive, but because maybe I'm not really like into buying bleaching cream, so that's why I'm like, for me it's expensive. This one costs like 10 euros. I do buy things which are more expensive than this, but it's like, because it's not something that I see as a priority, so that's why I'm like, it's expensive. But so far I'm really getting the results, so I don't use like a whole lot. I just use little by little, and I just want to make sure I get my result with this one container. I just want to make sure that I get what I'm looking for using this cream with this one container. I don't want to buy another container when it comes to this cream. I just want to use this one and stick by this one. So I don't want to finish it quickly and go ahead and buy new ones, because I don't, it's not the plan to keep on using this in the future. I just want to like get lighting of this area, and then you can use other method like lemon or turmeric to keep it, to maintain it, to maintain the color. So yeah, as for my elbow, I do use it a little bit, not too much, but I also like the how my elbow is looking. It's not like super dark. And then yeah, so for some of you guys who want update, so this is a quick update. This is what my knee is looking like. I will definitely come back to give you guys more updates when whenever I got my result, when I got the result that I'm actually looking for. I will come back to do a quick update. So Team Fullest, this is it. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, on my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. I really like it. You know, it's just that you see these 2 dots MAC in here, but so far so good. I love it. I love that how everything is just blending into my skin, that my skin is just having the same color. I just loved it. It's just amazing. So yeah, this is a quick update. I hope you all like this video. If you do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. Team Fullest, heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Heb je vragen? Laat me weten in de commentbox. Anders stuur mij een WhatsApp bericht. Mijn telefoonnummer staat ook in de beschrijvingsbox. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Hope to see you guys very soon. Team Fullest. Peace out. Bye. Doeg.